So hello and welcome friends to my channel Parena. This is the seventh video of my sixth video of tutorial English in Python tutorial. So okay, we are going to learn something more in Python tutorial. We got to learn about lists. We got to learn about tuples. In previous video, we got to learn about tuples. You can see that page also. The two pages open in my screen, and you can view it here only. So my next video will be on sets. There are four types of data containing and dictionaries and data containing systems in Python. Two of them we have discussed over in our previous videos, and this is the third video about data containing system. And the third one is this is sets. So I will open a new file, create a new one, Qt English, and name it like Qt eng 6.py. We got the new file, close the previous one got closed, and the new one got created. Okay, so what is the next one? The next one is sets. What are the sets? See, the most important thing about sets are that the sets are unordered and unchangeable. Unordered, why they're unordered, I will show it in further in further procedure, but now I will show tell you how it is unchangeable. We can't change the sets. We can only add up the materials or items in sets. Okay, so I'm writing it over here. Sets are unordered and unchangeable. You got it over here that these are unordered and unchangeable, means we can't change, but I wrote but makes the make it more important that why we can't change, but we can add up the items in a set. We can't change any items in the set, but we can add up some items in set. So we are writing it over here. We can add up some items on sets. Add up the items in a set. Okay, so you got it that sets are unordered and unchangeable, but we can add up the items in a set. This was the most important thing about set. Now we will focus on the next item, what the set tells us about it. Command palette, open word wrap. Let the words should be wrapped, it should not overlap the screen. So now we will create one type of set which we want to make it over here. So first of all, which type of set you want to make it? This. See, we want to set my set. For example, I'm writing one thing. Oh, I'm giving some variable to my set. My set. So how we can write a set? To write some set in Python, we use curly brackets, open and close curly brackets. So it defines that it is a set. Now we'll give some names to it. So some names are like mango. Sorry, double quotes are important. Mango. Second item is bananas. Banana. What is showing something like an error? Oh, I got to know what, because I didn't put some type of commas over here and double quotes. Okay, so it's okay now. Comma, and the third one is apple. You got it over here. What is set? So I will show two types of thing in three type of things in set now at the same time at one result. What are those? Print, open and close small brackets, my set. Second line, print, open and close small brackets, type, and open close small brackets, my set. Okay, next line, print, open and close small brackets, length, for what? My set. Okay, you got it over here that we are going to type first time my set, second type of my set, and third what is the length of my set. So we will run it now. Run Python file. You will see the answers over here. Okay, wait. Okay, you got it over here. Apple, mango, and bananas. See why it is unordered. Sets are unordered because I wrote it like this: mango, banana, apple. But our output that came by with the answer apple, mango, and banana, because the sets are unordered, so the result would be unordered. The ordering of the set will be decided by the PC only. You can't decide it, so that's why it is unordered. There are some conditions by which we can decide it, but it is in the further process, not over here. But okay, we are learning about the basics of the set, and the basics of the set defines us that it is unordered and unchangeable. Unchangeable, you know that without list you can't change anything over here. You can convert it into list, then you can change it, and again you can convert it into a set, which I have shown you in previous video in tuples condition. So you can get it over here, get that topic over there, and not now. I'm not going to discuss those topics over in this set practice. Okay, so when printed out my set apple mango banana, type is set and the length of this set is 3. Okay, so those topics we have discussed many times, so I won't comment out anything here over here. I will comment this whole term only, and I will go for the further procedure. Okay, so select all, comment out, get it in the lower line. Okay, nice, good. So the next topic would be which kind of sets we can define it. Which kind of sets we can, what are the terms which we can define in set? So we can define integers, strings, boolean terms, and floats, everything. So I will show it over here. Wait. I will name the variable like set double zero is equals to open and close curly brackets. First item would be RAM, second item would be an integer, so we can put it over here integer. Third item would be a boolean type, so it's a boolean type. Fourth item would be again some string, let it be him, and the last item would be float. You can put it over here float 42.25, and now we will know that is it a set or not, because the items are given in the set are different. Some are booleans, some are strings, some are integers, some are full floats. So for knowing the type of a set, we can type it over here print open and close small brackets type open and close small brackets set double zero, set double zero. When we will run it, so the answer would be run python file class set. It is a set only. It doesn't matter what type, which type of items are given it there in set materials, but it only matters that it is closed by the curly brackets. It means a lot to the python to recognize that it is a set. Okay, I will comment it out everything, and our next command would be something different, because different only runs in the marketplace. Sorry for that. Okay, so our next term would be, what would be our next term? We can do anything. So here also guys, we are going to do something different, like we are going to make the set to be run in a loop. How we can run the items of a set in a loop. So for running some items in a loop, we can do it like this. For example, we can click it over here and write it for z in my set, z in my set columns. Okay, sorry for that, columns. Why it is not coming? Okay, colons, and now we can do it like this, print z. Okay, now we'll run it, run python file apple banana mango. It's the easy topic, because we have discussed all those things in tuples and lists, so we can get it over here also, or when over there on those videos also. Okay, so our next topic would be comment out this. No, wait for this one. We can recognize something more over here also. So let it be. Comment it out. Next one, next line we can show it to you. Okay. Next line. Now, when we will give like this command, open and close small bracket. This is an important one. Means mango. Print mango in my set. This is the specific type of printing condition in my set. Okay, this is a specific type of printing condition. You can get it over here. True. This is the Boolean type of printing condition. If you have any of the sets which have items like thousands or lakhs something over there, and you want to search an item that it is over there or not, or something else, or the student's register or something, you have defined a student register of a school in a set, and you want to recognize that, find it out that is this name boy is that in our school or not. So you can find it by this condition. You can put a condition in Tkinter or something else, or any of the entry boxes, and when this program runs it can search it over there also. Okay, so you can do it like this also. I will show it all these conditions, all these applications of set and list in my further videos. Be in my channel and learn everything about Python. Okay, so our next program would be something different, like how we can add items in set. We have discussed this about this thing that we can't change but can add items in a set. So for adding items in a set we can do it like this. You can do it like this: my set. Okay, you wrote this, put dot add. Okay, now what you want to add up? I want to add up pineapple. So pineapple. Now run it. My set print, open and close small brackets, my set. Okay, you got it over here. See what does the commands do. This is the previous set, but when you wrote it, my set dot add pineapple, so the pineapple got add up on this set, and when you will print my set, then you will get the output. Okay, you can see it over here: mango, bananas, pineapple and apple. You got it over here, that how we can add up any of the items in a set. This is the simplest way to add some items in a set. Put it in the comment section. Our next program would be like this. So now if we want to update any type of set in our previous set, so how we can add it? So my next set would be like this: set 0, no, like this. I will put it like this. So set 0 is equals to something like cars, toys, and something else. First item would be cars, and second item would be toys, and the third item would be something like an integer. Okay, when you wrote it like this, and now when you will do something like this is the magical command of set. We will use this command very times, many times in set. So how you can use it? My set. Okay, first set is your my set dot update, and then the set which you want to update on the previous set. Okay, so the next set is set 0. You can write it like this and comment out this one. And now when you will run this one, oh no, we need this one to print it out. Okay, so now when you will run this, so you will get the new set: apple, toys, mango, cars, 23, banana. Means the my set got updated with the items in the set 0. Means the set 0 and my set both got united to make a single set. United, not union. Union are the main things in a set. You will discuss it in for further programs, so wait for that one. That part is a magic for you. Okay, now we will go with all those both of the sets. Okay, so I will comment it out this one, and this both sets will go to the next line. Okay, it's over there. Now there are some important topics also, or non-important topic also. I will write it over here, and you can get it over here only. That how we have used in our sets and lists and tuples, everything. So now when I will write it, you can know it. So to remove any item, my set dot remove, and what we want to remove: apple. I want to remove apple once. To discard any item, you know what discard means. Remove and discard means a different thing. Okay, discard some item. I want to discard what? Mango. Mainly I want to discard mango, so I will write it over here mango. And to print, to pop some item, to pop, but the popping condition will be different one. So first I will print out with these things. Run Python file. See, banana, mango, apple has been removed. When I will comment out this one, and I will show it like this one, so the same result would be there, only mango would be deleted and banana and apples would be there. Okay, you got it over here, how we can discard it and discard an item, and how we can remove an item in set also. The same procedure is for being followed in those like that sets, lists and tuple also. It's nothing new one over here. So next topic is how to pop some item in a set. To pop some item in a set, we can write it over like this. Z is equals to, yeah, we can use it over here. Z is equals to my set dot pop, and open and close small brackets. Open and close small brackets, we give it to call anything, any arbitrary method. To call something in a Python, we have to use these double small and close, double not single, small and close brackets. We have to call something, then we have to put these open and close small brackets. So now we'll write it over here as Z. When we will run Python file, okay, we got the popped item. Popped item is the apple. So the last material of the last item of the set got popped out, but it is an unordered one. You got to know that it is an unordered set, so it doesn't mean that every time it will give the last one also only. See, in the previous answer, we got the popping item apple, but in the next one, we got the popping item mango. Now, in third one, what we can get, we don't know, bananas. And in the fourth one, what we will get again mango. Means it doesn't follows any type of procedure. It is an unordered material, so it can print out anything. It is an unordered system, so it follows an unordered system. You got it over here. So move it in the previous lines. Now what we are going to do something. We are going to tell you remove, discard. We have discussed about remove, discard, pop. Oh, one item is left there. My set, to how to delete anything, how to delete any of these sets in a Python. I will don't discuss about it, but I will show it, show the command how you can use a command to delete anything in a Python, or to delete a set in a Python. You can write it over here, del my set, and it's gone deleted. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. See it over here. My set is not defined. It will show it over here because it's not defined. Now it is defined, because the del system was in the previous line of my set. So computer, when moves from the further moves to the further line, then he shows that there is none type of my set, so it doesn't recognize it. Name my set is not defined. Line 18 in module, because we have wrote it over here print my set, but that line number 16 deleted my set. So line number 18 doesn't get my set, so it shows the name my set is not defined. Okay, you got it over here, that how del works in a Python. Now comment it out, and we will go in the further items in set. Now there are main items in set. These are the mainly procedure of this set. For these only, these things only set is defined in a Python, or anywhere in mathematics, or anywhere we define sets for these conditions only. So I will show you how we use sets over here. For union of sets, I will make some condition, some brackets, some empty spaces for union of sets. And next line we can get it over here for intersection of sets. For intersection of sets, and the third item is what? For, oh sorry, for symmetric difference in my set. For symmetric difference. See, these three topics are the main topics in set. So how it all of these works. So now we will discuss about it. If we are writing any type of set, we can write it like this: my set one is equals to my set dot union and open and close small brackets. And what we are using for union with set now, it is set 0. So we can run it, but we have to write it over here, my set 1. So when we will run this python file, so what will be the answer? 23 bananas, apple, cars, twice mango. Means every items of this set and this set got united in a single set. That set names to be my set 1. Means union only those what the both all the items of both of this set are get united in a single set. So you got to know what union does, but now we will discuss about intersection of sets, how intersection of set works. Now my set 1, again my set 1 is equals to what? Intersection. Now rather we were using my set union, we will use it over here, my set intersection. You can get it over here, my set intersection, open and close small brackets, set 0. Okay, already now we can see what intersection means. Nothing, null. Why it is null? Because none of the items in my set and set 0 are same, so intersection are is null. But when we are doing it like this, we are running one adding one item over here, mango, double quotes and then comma. Okay, now what would be the answer? Now the answer is mango, because mango is the single item which is there in my set also and in set 0 also. So the intersection output of both of these sets are mango. You got it over here, what intersection does in set. Okay, now the last topic but not the least, for symmetric differences of set. What does the symmetric differences of set means? See, you know that what differences means. So you can see it over here. What differences means? My set 1 is equals to my set dot symmetric difference, open and close small brackets, set 0. Okay, set 0. Now what does the symmetric difference means? Run python file. You can't see mango in this whole set. Why you can't see mango in this whole set? Because mango is the item which is common over there also and here also, in my set also and set 0 also. So computer means python automatically segregates mango from both of the list, and it brings out the output which contains banana, apple, cars, banana 23 twice. Means symmetric differences makes only the differences between the both of these sets or any of these sets, and it doesn't prints out or doesn't gives those output which is common in both of these set. You got it over here. Means the common item will be segregated and the uncommon items will get printed over there in output. You got it over here. So now we'll wrap up this video. We got many things, we got everything about set, we got to know everything about set, how sets can be added, how it is unordered, how it is unchangeable, how we can do union, intersection and symmetric differences in set. So be there in my video, be there in my playlist, be there in my YouTube channel Parena, and learn everything about the python. Okay, thank you.